Hello, Joe. We've been waiting for you.
Hello, Marge. I didn't know you were going to be here.
Have you bitten anybody during the making of this film?
I mean, how many? Is that what you're asking? How many people have we bitten?
You are a biter.
God bless.
Yeah.
Bob's a big biter.
Bob's a
Yeah.
biter.
Yep.
Are you a child biter, or is that something that's developed?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
When the baby teeth came in, and then when the adult teeth came in, and then I have a third set of teeth that came in.
Do you? You're like a shark. They just keep
Kind
coming
of like the
out.
alien.
On the ankle or higher up?
The first thing Rob did when he met us all was bite us, so that was kind of...
I got quite a deep sniff in my hindquarters first.
Did you?
Did
Yeah.
you?
I thought it was an English thing. I thought,
Oh, that old.
You know.
I think it started here, but I don't think...
Someone said that's what I should do when I got over, so I was like, "You got it."
And then, yeah.
Who did you enjoy biting most? And where?
Terry Jones on the balls.
Terry Jones in Luton.
Yeah.
Terry Jones, right here, right, just a little nibble.
On the low.
Terry Jones just full in the face.
Yeah.
Has anyone tickled your tummy during the making of this film? I had my tummy tickled a lot, by the way. Who did it best? Did you tickle anybody else's tummy?
We all
Yeah.
tickled Kate's tummy in lunchtime.
That's right. And then she punched me in the
Because
face.
that's what I'm used to, is regular tummy tickling.
Did anyone else get punched in the face by Kate after that?
No, because they stuck to my tummy.
That's the thing.
Good point.
Has anyone seen Monty Python anywhere? I never have. Who is he?
Who is Monty Python?
Well,
He was around, wasn't he?
I don't know. Someone came in with some sandwiches yesterday. Was it?
Did you get to bite him?
I personally didn't.
No, I didn't.
No.
Did Simon Pegg ever take you for walkies? I would walkies with him a lot.
Simon does. He's just not very patient. If you stay in a squat too long, Simon gets sort of
You
ADD.
sniff everywhere. That's the
I
most
know,
annoying thing,
but
is
everything
it?
smells so amazing.
I know.
Simon used to knock on my trailer and ask me if I'd gone to the bathroom.
Whereas Sanj was like, we were just out in the park, was throwing sticks. And...
Well, look, I didn't want to say at the time because I was grateful for the exercise. But every time you push my head into, that was unnecessary.
Well, I mean, you got to learn.
Yeah, but you got to just, I think conversation before you push someone's face in excrement. Just generally, I'm just saying. It's not.
Right.
Simon's old school.
Yeah.
Simon's old school.
Well, it was preschool. That was-
Jesus Christ. Pull the race card or something.
What size bone did they give you?
I felt I was a bit undersold on the size. I was disappointed. But you can't look disappointed. You've got to go, amazing. You know what I mean?
Otherwise, they get all upset.
That's how I was brought up.
My bone looked like it had been in the water, cold water, for a long time. What are we talking about?
I know.
Biscuits.
Biscuits, yes.
Yeah.
Biscuits.
I was given a very large bone. It was in my contract. I think it was the thigh of an ostrich.
I see. Your agent probably pushed for... Yeah, I get it. Yeah, we got bones too, right, guys?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
He gave me a little tiny bit of chicken on a long...
On an aerial.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what we all get.
Aerial chicken.
Aerial chicken.
Yeah.
That was a good one. Oof, oof.